because I'm gonna be giving away a pair of AirPods. Picked up some Kleenex to wipe my tears away this school year and some Tide Pods, you know, if I'm feeling a little risky. Hey guys, it's maiphammy here. I look like a freaking egg. I don't know what's going on with my hair, and I accidentally bleach stained my shirt, and I have sweat stains. But what's new? Today, I'm gonna be doing a back to school supplies shopping video for you guys. I know last time you guys checked, I got suspended from school and then left school. That was last year in September, and I haven't been back since. But this year, it's gonna be different. Hopefully. You guys are gonna be seeing my vlogs of me being in high school, being lonely, making no friends because I know nobody in the city that I live in. I moved here last year and I've been so bad at socializing. I know a lot of you guys then be like, Mai, stop trying to be relatable and saying that you don't have friends. Literally ask anyone that lives in this city. I hang out with almost nobody. And if I do, it's like once or twice a month. I like to stay in the comfort of my room. I just changed into my outfit for the day. You know, we got like the matching denim crop jacket and we have like this shirt and these white shorts. Watch my haul video to see where I bought this stuff. Also stay tuned to the end of this video because I'm gonna be giving away a pair of AirPods. Today's shoe of the day is white Crocs.
15 minutes later.
Alright, I just drove to Walmart. I was gonna go to Staples first, but then I realized that Walmart probably has cheaper stuff. I'm not trying to spend a whole foot on foot. I don't know. I'm not trying to spend a lot of money on school supplies, you know? So Walmart's gonna be first. Too bad in Canada we don't have Target, unfortunately. Sorry I can't be bougie and, you know, aesthetic like everyone else, but Walmart! Okay, I'm at Walmart right now, and the school supply section here is so weak it upsets me. It's like 3 aisles. It sucks. I'm just gonna try to buy whatever I can here, and then the rest go buy somewhere else. I'm gonna buy a notebook, just a one subject, because honestly I don't know how much I'm gonna write. I feel like this would be good for whenever I'm just like literally just like writing down the quickest shit ever, just so that I can get it down, and then if I want to redo my notes I can do it on the better paper. This is the best paper ever, no cap. It is thick paper, it doesn't rip, and especially if you get the reinforced ones, it doesn't rip away from your binder. So 10 out of 10 would recommend the 5-star paper. Instead of a binder, I'm just gonna get one of these. It's like a 5-star 2 pockets thingy. I'm not gonna be the most organized person ever, but like, let's see how long I last in school. This is what I got. Wow. I'm also someone who just like shoves all my shit in just like folders and never actually organize my things. Should I get something for math? What if I decide to do math this year? Oh. Someone walked by, so I felt awkward and I didn't want to film them. There's like pencil cases here. Y'all see this? But they're ugly as f, and I feel like I can find way cuter ones. But I don't know if I want to get locker stuff because I have never been one to go to my locker. I kind of just shove things in my backpack because I'm not organized. Like I don't keep things like that. I just throw everything in my backpack. Literally, people are looking at me. $6 for 2 pencils. What the f? I'm gonna get some highlighters. These ones are only $1.97 and these are $3.47, but these are thick boys and I don't know if I have room for thick boys. Do I need a math set? I think I do. I don't know. I was only in math for like 3 weeks last school year because my brain couldn't do it. I had like a mental breakdown in class and cried every quiz. These aren't good erasers. I want some solid erasers. I remember like back like a couple years ago, I would be so excited to go back to school shopping. I would know which pens are my favorite. I would know which pencils are my favorite. I would have a backpack in mind. And now that I'm in high school, I want to get it over with. I'm gonna get these Bic Atlantis pens because I remember that they were good and I just feel like they're good, so I'm gonna get these. I already have a calculator that was passed down from my sister when she graduated in 2014 because why would I want to buy another $200 calculator? They're expensive. High school advanced calculators are expensive and I'm not trying to spend that money, so I don't need to go buy another one. I always lose my calculator anyways. Grade 10 year, I didn't use a calculator the whole time, so whenever we graph things out, instead of popping it into the calculator, I literally had to make a T-chart and do it all. Somehow I still pass math. Something I do want though are index cards because I remember when I studied, these were a savior, so I'm gonna grab a pack of those. I really want one of those like rings where you can hole punch it and then like you can throw it on like a ring thing. When I went to school, I'm acting like I went to school like so long ago. Back when I was a kid. I'm out here talking like everyone's parents. Back when I was a kid, when we didn't have TVs or cell phones, we'd have to go outside for entertainment, blah blah blah. Shut your ass up. When I'm literally still supposed to be in high school. I'm gonna get a mini hole punch to hole punch my index cards. Ooh, we're gonna get a lime green one though to be trendy. These are really I remember if you had these back in elementary school or middle school, you knew that you were f***ing rich because only rich people buy these because it's $10 for only 24 pencils when you can get 50 pencils for only $6. And at the dollar store, you can get them for even cheaper. Guys, these were like $4 and Sharpie makes them for only $2. Ooh, I love writing in like super thin pens, so I'm gonna buy these. They're gonna be super aesthetically pleasing. I'm like always looking for tape in my house, and I feel like I just need tape, so I'm gonna buy some. I'm gonna buy this pack of tape and hope it's fine. I don't know. If you guys are super unorganized like me, when I took school super seriously, I say that like I'm out here acting like you shouldn't take school seriously, but what I meant was like when I was excited about school, like when I was so excited to be organized and you know what I mean? Okay, yeah, take school seriously, kids. You know what? When I was like really into school, I used to buy these because I was super unorganized and I could never be the person to put things in my binders. These are file folders, and then every time you have a handout, you put it in each single section. So like if you had a handout for math, you put it in here, or like homework. You know what I mean? So you have each section, so when you go home, you take it out and you can organize it. I'm gonna get these pack of tabs. I'm the type of person to write just a bunch of in my notebook and then forget about it. Again, very unorganized. But these, if you have like an important note, you stick it on the note paper and then you write a little note on the top so you know what it is. So you can just flip to it whenever you need to. These are the best erasers ever. I'm gonna buy them. These are also really good pencils. The Ticonderoga are like the best pencils in the world, but they're $5.49. I'm gonna buy this pack of pencils. It's $2.90 off and it comes with 24. You know what I want to do? Trying to survive with only one pencil for a whole year. Like one mechanical pencil and trying to make it last for a whole year without losing it. That'd be funny as fuck. No, Mai, that wouldn't be funny. Your humor's dry as fuck. That's why you find it funny. I mean, like, I find it funny because like whoever does that, like who? Not me. I actually am kind of tempted to do it. Like I want to buy like a good pencil though. Say like one more time, I'm gonna beat your ass. You guys remember when we used to care so much about school and we would decorate our notebooks and like glue on like, pictures and like make it all Tumblr and stuff like that back when like Bethany Moto was still a thing? Yeah, remember that. I cannot believe we put that much effort into school supplies. These are the best. I love, love, love thin pens. Alright, I just finished up at Walmart, got it all, put it in a reusable bag, and now I'm gonna head off to Staples to see what we can find. See guys, these are like the expensive pencils and pens that I was talking about. Gold carat plated. Like what? Y'all ever try to do this as a kid where you try to press out all the colors at once? Because me. Alright, there's this one pencil that's 10 bucks. I'm gonna buy it and try to keep it for the whole time that I'm in school. We're gonna see how that goes. I'll update you guys. These are the shittiest erasers I've ever seen in my life. I'm sorry if you guys came to this video to see me living lavishly and spending a lot on school supplies, but that just ain't it for me, okay? I need some kid scissors, so I'm gonna get these green ones. Oh, no, I like the pink ones. I have an obsession with mini backpacks. They're so cute. Oh, gonna need one of these for my narcissistic self. Just kidding, guys. I'm not buying that. Champion will forever remind me of high school boys now. What do all the high school boys in your school wear? Because in my school, they wear Champion hats, Champion everything. Just, they love Champion. If I was actually like an aesthetically pleasing, organized person, I would so buy this locker stuff. It's so cute. Have you guys ever wanted to just buy bubble wrap and just wrap yourself in it? This is so cute. I feel like if I was back in like grade 6, I would have died for this. How cute. This color, this pattern thing used to be like the most popular thing ever. People would have it as their wallpaper. They would literally wrap anything in their room in that. Bacon, my kind of chemistry. Ha, so relatable. I hated chemistry. These just aren't cute enough for my liking. This one's decent. There's also these, which are like cool because they're clear. Oh my god, I love these pastels. What the frick? So pretty. Picked up some Kleenex to wipe my tears away this school year and some Tide Pods, you know, if I'm feeling a little frisky. I like basically got everything at Walmart, so I didn't really get much here. Looking at the MacBooks, and I'm debating if I want to give away a MacBook, but I'm like, y'all are unloyal and skip my ads too much. You know, maybe if you guys didn't skip the ads, engage with the ads, got me some more coin, I'd be giving away a MacBook. But a MacBook's $1,000, and AirPods are only $200. Right now, I'm gonna give away AirPods, but you know, if by the time at the end of August, you guys aren't skipping my ads, I'll give away a MacBook. Alright, I just got finished shopping at Staples. I only spent $27 there, and then I only spent $50 at Walmart, which is pretty freaking good, because I remember as a kid, shut up, Ma, you're literally 16, shut up. I would spend 100 plus because I was extras. So thanks, Mom, for supporting my extraness, but it was unnecessary. Right now I'm gonna head home and then I'll show you guys what I got. Alright, I just got home from shopping and now I'm gonna show you guys what I got. I didn't realize that I had a whole bunch of school supplies from last year when I only went for 3 weeks, but now I have extra school supplies. I have it all in this bag right here and I'm just gonna show you guys. I'm gonna show you guys what I got from Staples first. I got these scissors, they're kid scissors in pink. Then I got this for my index cards to put in, but I didn't realize that I had bought these last year, so now I have a bunch of index cards that I won't be using all of. Then I bought some sticky tack just for my Polaroids. This isn't school supplies related. And then I got this marble pencil case. I was gonna get a holographic one. Then I realized that it would probably be nice to put my calculator in my pencil case too, so that's what I got. Also, yeah, my calculator is pink. I ordered it on, well, my sister ordered it on Amazon back like a couple years ago. Then I got this expensive $10 graphite Staedtler 0.7 pencil to be bougie, and I'm gonna try to keep this the whole year. I also got this 40 pages of graph notebook so that if I'm in math, then I can just do a bunch of assignments. But I also did not realize that I bought a whole pack of 5-star square graphing paper also, and then I also didn't realize that I bought a whole notebook for that also last year. So I just have a lot of paper now. From Walmart, I got Big Atlantis pens, and these are the ball pens. It comes with a black one, 2 blue ones, 1 red one, and 1 green one. I don't know why there's a green one, but apparently it's smooth like gel, so hopefully that makes me want to do some schoolwork. Then I got these neon Tri-Plus fine liners, and they're 0.3 millimeters, which just like, oh my god, I'm so excited to use these. Then I just got 2 black Sharpies. I also got just 5 Sharpies. Wow. Then I got a pack of these extra sparkly pencils. Also did not realize that I still had a pack in my box of school supplies. I also got this, which is a pocket and prong portfolio. You can kind of just put things in here, but also did not realize that I already had not 1, not 2. Ew, I hate having to analyze things and be like, why does it mean this? Why does it mean that? I don't know. Maybe Jimmy just wanted to go on a boat in the river. It doesn't have to mean anything. Not 3, but 4 binders already. And I decided to go buy something else. And then I also got this white notebook from Walmart, just a white one to write all my notes down, but also did not realize that I had not 1, but 2 notebooks, the exact same ones already. I then got a mini hole punch. I don't know why. I got 2 erasers to erase all my problems away. And then I have these neon index cards, which I already have a whole bunch of. I also got these tabs to put on my notebook. I got 9-piece math set. I already bought one last year. Got some tape. AirPods. I'm giving these away. To win these AirPods, you need to subscribe to this channel, turn my post notifications on for this channel, follow me on Instagram, and turn my post notifications on for Instagram. And then last but not least, comment down below what day you guys go back to school and your Instagram. Don't be spamming the comments because that doesn't count. And I'm gonna be choosing the winner at the end of August. How I'm gonna be choosing the winner is picking a random back to school video that I post. So I'm probably gonna post like about 4 or 5 of them. I'm gonna pick a random video out of those, and I'm gonna go to the comments and use a comment generator and pick one. And if I pick you and I check your username and I notice you're not following my Instagram and you're not subscribed, I'm gonna pick someone else. So don't try to be sneaky. Basically, to have a high chance of winning this, subscribe to my channel and watch my videos, then enter it every time I post a video. There's gonna be like a different comment every time, so be active. You know, I'm gonna be checking who's like liking my pictures the most and commenting on my pictures the most and stuff. That's how you guys enter. If you guys enjoyed, make sure to subscribe, follow my social media on the screen right here, add me on Snapchat because that's where I post all my stories. Stay tuned for the rest of the back to school season. Until next time, peace.
East and the west, I'm racking up on my breath, power on me, I'm feeling just like a Tesla. Too much tree, the smoke is making my chest hurt. Girl on me, I'm thinking I should've rest her. Hey, I'm thinking I should've rest. All night long, she putting me to the test. Got a lot on, I'm trying to take out the rest. Cleaning up my lines, and sending them but the best. Hey girl, the cutest that I see.